Welcome to this lesson on silent letters. Today, we're focusing on the silent E rule, also known as the magic E rule. This is one of the most important patterns in English reading and spelling. Silent E changes how words sound and helps us read correctly. Silent E is the letter E at the end of a word that we don't pronounce. It's called silent because we don't say it out loud. But silent E does something magical. It changes the sound of the vowel that comes before it. The vowel changes from a short sound to a long sound. Let's understand the difference. The word cap has a short A sound. It sounds like cap with a quick A, but when we add E at the end, cape changes. Now the A says its name, like cape. The A becomes long. The same happens with tap and tape. Tap has a short A, but tape has a long A sound. The magic E follows a clear pattern. It's called consonant-vowel-consonant-E, or CVC+E. First, you have one consonant, then one vowel, then another consonant, and finally the silent E at the end. When you see this pattern, the vowel in the middle says its long sound, not its short sound. The E at the end makes this magic happen. Let's look at words with the letter A. Make has the pattern consonant-V-consonant-E. The A says its long sound, so make sounds like make. Cake follows the same pattern. The A says its name, so cake sounds like cake. Game, name, place, and snake all follow this pattern. In every word, the A says its long sound because of the silent E at the end. Now let's explore words with the letter I. Bike follows the magic E pattern. The I says its long sound, so bike sounds like bike. Like kite, fine, mile, and slide all have the same pattern. Each of these words has one consonant, then I, then another consonant, then silent E. The I always says its long sound in these words. Let's look at words with the letter O. Hope has the magic E pattern. The O says its long sound, so hope sounds like hope. Home, rose, bone, rope, and nose all follow this pattern too. When O is in the middle with a consonant on each side and E at the end, the O says its long sound. That's the power of silent E. Here are the most important things to remember. First, silent E makes the vowel say its long sound instead of its short sound. Second, the pattern is always consonant-vowel-consonant-E. Third, this rule works with the vowels A, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Fourth, the E at the end of the word stays silent. Now you understand the magic E rule. Practice finding this pattern in new words you read.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.